Good morning and welcome to the OFX Currency Corner. Trade has certainly dominated broader direction throughout the last 6 weeks. However, with tensions tempered last week following the Trump and EU Commission President Juncker discussions, we're now shifting our focus, at least through the short term, to key central bank announcements. The Bank of Japan meets today amid speculation that they'll be looking to amend their yield curve control policy, and that has significant impacts or repercussions across the broader market. Japanese institutional investors are key stakeholders and investors in foreign bonds, and any change in that yield curve policy that increases the Japanese government bond yield return and draws yen investors back into Japan will have an impact on demand for foreign currencies and of course the Japanese yen, and it could see a shift outside these recent ranges between 110.50 and 112.50 when valuing the yen against the US dollar. We also turn our attentions to the Bank of England as well. They're largely expected to raise their benchmark cash rate to 25 basis points to 0.075% on Thursday, and if they do that, we will expect largely little impact out of the pound as it's much priced in. However, there is a risk that the Bank of England decides to stay its hand, given that the inflation impact that we've seen over the last few months is largely due to its low value rather than domestic growth and domestic drivers. They'll be afraid of unravelling the slow recovery that we're seeing over the last few months and may look to hold interest rates at these levels. We also look to the Federal Reserve as well, where they're expected to maintain the current rhetoric but give hints to a possible rate hike next month. For further direction, please don't hesitate in contacting our dealing teams.